Is your son or daughter headed to Cooperstown? Here's some items for the packing list that you need to bring to make your life a little bit easier when headed into the bunks of Cooperstown. So take a look at these couple of videos. There's going to be affiliate links in the description to go ahead and get those items. If you have any other questions or comments, if you need to know any other items that need to be brought with your child to Cooperstown, let me know in the comments. I'll do a follow-up video. This is just part one to the many that I will be posting in the next couple months for the packing list that you need to bring over to Cooperstown. So there's going to be a couple of caddies, the locks for the bunkers, for the trunks in the bunkers, some clear bags. I use the I think the Veno or something like that. To just bring those big bags. So you know, if you have the clothes in the trunks, you don't want them to get dirty. So I actually used white big clear bags that were pretty sturdy to put the clothes in them, so my son could just take them out the bunks and the clothes weren't just thrown around inside the trunks by themselves. They were in the bags, so you just pull them out and call it a day, so they weren't getting dirty. So yeah, just take a look at these few videos, links in the description. Any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Drop a like, hit the follow, and let me know if you have any questions. Hey guys, we're back with another review. This one's going to be the dorm caddy. So we're going to be using this on our way to Cooperstown for my son, so he can use in his bunks. So he needs to go take a shower. He'll be able to bring all his toiletries in this little caddy because he has a ways to walk. So it says easy to open, foldable standing carry-all, and can be taken to the shower, has drainage hole, flexible frame stands. When in use, great for carrying and storing personal care items, and it's 8 by 12. So definitely let's take a look at this. Let's see how big it is and see what it looks like. And it's made by Handy Laundry. Wow, so look at that, it's popping up already. So it's similar to like those hampers that are just fold and go. See how we can just easily fold it up and put it back in. So definitely, it's definitely cool. So definitely you can put all your toiletries in. And again, it's nice and foldable. So when you're all done, fold it back up, call it a day. And you can use this little string that comes with it, so you can fold it right back up when not in use. So definitely a nice little mesh material. And this is the drainage hole that they're saying that's in there, because this is a little bit of a thicker bottom, so it can actually hold the items that you're going to put in there. But definitely, and it has like a little, you know, so you can carry it over wherever you're going, or hang it up maybe on top of a spout or something like that, a shower head. So definitely I would definitely use this, you know, nice and light, portable. Definitely recommend this. So if you want to take a look, make sure you take a look at this review, and thanks for watching. Hey guys, we're back with another review, and this is for the Bago 120-liter folding duffel bag with wheels. So it actually comes in this box all folded up from Bago. And we just came back from a Cooperstown trip with my 12-year-old son, and he used this bag to move into his bunks. So it's definitely durable. It has that nice material. Definitely when we moved in, it was raining. So nothing in this duffel bag actually got wet while moving in. So it has the wheels. It has definitely a lot of pockets here. You feel that material. So it has like that material where you would do like a rain jacket kind of a material, like a light rain jacket. So it has definitely pockets everywhere. We have another pocket down here where he used to put his actually his cleats. There's another side pocket down here. It's pretty deep. Used to put his cleats on. It has this nice strap here where he was holding it while pulling it up and wheeling it out to the bunks. Nice straps. Definitely more pockets here. Definitely a lot of pockets, even some pockets inside here. That's where we were putting some more of his stuff for his bunks, some locks, things like that. So it's definitely cool. It's nice and foldable, as you can tell. It's light material, the Bago branding there. See, it just folds right up. A nice wheel to it. It's a nice and durable, thick wheels. As you can tell here, definitely spin well. So definitely a must get, especially if your son or daughter or anyone, need to just have a duffel bag that you can get in and out and then put away. He actually stored this underneath his bunk. He was just able to just roll it up and put it right underneath the bunk at Cooperstown. So definitely, Bago is the way to go, and it's reasonably priced for what it is. This big 20 liter duffel bag. So again, thanks for watching the review, and I'll catch you on the next one. Hey everybody, we're back with another review, and this time we have the Ailio shower caddy. So this is another shower caddy that we're going to be using when we're going away. A nice little black, like hard mesh bag. So definitely, if you're going on vacation, going to, if you don't want to put your stuff, on the hotel, counter, you just want everything just right in the shower. Put on the shower head. This one almost looks like a bag, and it has a zipper. So it's a black hard mesh bag with a zipper, and it's very thick too. Very nice zipper for this caddy, and it's a good thickness. It's not going to really stand up unless you have some things in it, obviously. So definitely has a nice handle. And it's by Ailio. This is the back of it. So it's pretty thick, and it also has a little pouch. So definitely a little pouch in here also. Just a little thin pouch. Not really anything too big in here. Maybe you might put like a toothbrush, maybe toothpaste. Definitely a must if you're going somewhere and you just want to have a nice little caddy with a handle. So again, this is the Ailio shower caddy. Nice handles. And I'll catch you on the next review. Hey folks, we're back with another review. This is for the Suking cooling towels. Now they're 40 by 12 towel that are soft and breathable. Now we're using this during the summer for when it's really hot outside. So it's one of those cool towels. So you just wet it up, you throw it on your head or your neck or wherever you're hot, and it soaks up the water really well. So it gives you a nice cool down. And they also dry fast too. So you can, empty out the water that's too much, strain it out. They dry out, fold up pretty good, but definitely holds its coldness when it's wet. So it comes in these little pouches. There's a 4-pack, so different colors. I have 2 right now because the other 2 are being used. So nice bright colors. Comes in these pouches that are resealable. Also comes with these, we also have these clips, these carabiner clips. So we can clip them onto, your sports bags. If you're just holding it, you're in the dugout. If you're playing baseball, you can put this on the fence and throw this back in after you're done using it. Which my son is actually doing. He's using these for those hot summer days in his baseball, on his baseball team here in the dugout. So definitely, you're gonna open it up like this. And it's that nice soft cloth material. Look, the Suking branding on there. And they're pretty long. So you fold. They're definitely pretty long. Pretty long. So definitely you're gonna stay cool with these, as they get soaked up pretty good when you drench it with some water. So definitely this is a must-have in your arsenal for those hot summer days at the beach or at a dugout, or if you're in the stands as a parent watching a game. Definitely need one of these by Suking. Definitely check them out. Thanks for taking a look at my review. Alright folks, we're back with another review. This is for the Veno 2-pack of clear moving bags. So they can also be used for, storing sheets, or if you're going away, you can just have a nice, pretty semi-clear bag. They say clear, but it's as you can see, it's frosted. You still don't want people to look into your bag and see what you have in there. So it comes in a 2-pack, and it's 27 gallons, and it zips up. So let's show you how it zips up here. So it does have this nice little, it's pretty thick. So it looks like it could be pretty water resistant for going out. If you get caught in the rain or something carrying this bag. And it does zipper up. It does zipper up. Make sure that we have all our things now. Of course, with these, this is how you zip up. So boom, so it has a nice zipper, really a nice top here. Nice, and it's pretty clear. Like I said, it's frosted. It's huge. So what we're gonna use these for, especially if you're going away, or you're what are we going to use it for? We're going to be using it for Cooperstown. We're going to use these actually in the trunks. So we're going to stick this in the trunk and put my son's clothing in it. So definitely it's going to be, so instead of throwing your clothes in the dirty trunks, this is going to be a nice big liner. So pretty much a chest of drawers in a trunk here for them. But yeah, definitely big, nice big handles. Pretty thick. Hey, listen, it'll do its job. We're not carrying this for outdoors, and this is just for a little quick little go around and about for a little bit, use it, and abuse it. So yeah, definitely, if you like what you're seeing, definitely check out the videos, and thanks for watching. Hey everybody, we're back with another review, and this is for the BV TSA travel locks. Now these things come in a 2-pack. So we got it right here, 2-pack, very sturdy. They actually lock pretty good. Now it does come with instructions on how to set up the lock and how to get it open, and to reset the default password on it. And it's pretty simple. You're going to turn these over, get your code in, and then you're going to press that button. And look how nice it pops out. And this is like a strong like wire. So it's definitely sturdy. You see me pulling it here. It's not going anywhere. And then we get to put it right back in. And you hear that click. And then you can just, you know, look at this. Nice spin to them. So you're going to want to put your code right where this silver button is to get it open. So at first I was confused on if I should have it out here, but it seems like it has to follow this silver button. So you definitely want to put your code in, whatever it is, get it into the middle area there, and voila, opens up pretty quickly. This will be good for lockers, and you know, if you're going away, there's a little trunk that you can put it on. So pretty much everything, or your luggage bag, like it says it's TSA approved for. So yeah, this is the review for the BV travel luggage locks. They come in a 2-pack, and they're really good for the money. I'll catch you on the next review. So these are some items, again, that you can bring to Cooperstown. This is part 1 of a series of videos I'll be posting for your packing list for Cooperstown. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns, and thank you for watching. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment. And I'll catch you on the next one.